keys. Let's go see. Yes. Yes, dark. Yeah.
We didn't even have the card thing.
No card thing. Woohoo! We are here, honey. Yes. Now we're going to do a cabin tour of room 7448, which is at Aft Balcony on the Carnival Valor. I guess we'll start off with the bathroom. This is right here. Of course, you have a shower with the shampoo and body wash. And I do like that they have the shelves by the mirror for all your toiletry items. Nice size bathroom. And you have 3 closets. One with hangers. Kind of narrow right here. Life jackets. More hangers. Full size closet. And then shelves. And then right here you have a mirror, and then you have your refrigerator, empty refrigerator. Put our wine in there and our bottle of water when it arrives. And then we have this little bar area and a safe, so you have to slide the card. Television. Little vanity area, phone, little stool with your towels, hair dryer, and more drawers. Then we have a little table right here with our steakhouse thing that we have tonight. Yes, king size bed, chair. We have all our luggage and stuff in here right now. And then the best part of the room is my hubby. And the best part is what, William? An aft balcony, which we have a lounge chair, 2 regular chairs. He's already made friends. This is one final look at cabin 7448 on the Carnival Valor.